everyone. Today I welcome you all for Chini English Academy. The last prompt would be your language accuracy. With that, all the content of your language skills. Now let's see that the organization of your essay with your other language skills such as punctuation, and handwriting, capitalization, line indenting, and line spacing. With all of these, that you should make that the very good structure of your essay. Actually, when you consider all of these criteria properly, so your essay going to be highly rated, and it would be the very attractive way of your scoring system in your IELTS, SAT, and PTE academic as well. Thank you.
Contact us for inquiries via WhatsApp 0768632275. Call 207-166-56325.